Hi and welcome to Mancave project. So in this video we're going to be making aircrete without the need for an expensive foam generator. Right, so let me explain what we've got here. So I've got a basic refractory concrete mix in here, which is 2 parts sharp sand, 1 part high calcium aluminate cement, 1 part fine fire clay, and 0.5 of a part of hydrated lime. So that's just a standard refractory mix. There's no vermiculite or perlite in this because we're going to be making obviously aircrete. I've got 2 old takeaway dishes which I've just put some old oil in just to act as a release agent for there. So our magic ingredients, and this is an experiment I learned from school. I think we made rockets, water rockets or something like that from this, and it's probably one of the only things I did learn from school, and that's when you mix bicarbonate of soda with citric acid, you end up with a high volume of carbon dioxide gas being produced. So that's what we're going to apply for this today to make aircrete. So citric acid is used mainly in Asian food shops, gives quite a sour taste obviously to food, but it's also used in wine making as well. If you buy it from Asian supermarkets, this is only a small pack, but even a kilo pack is not that expensive. So first thing I'm going to do is we're going to add water to our mix, and this mix is going to be slightly wetter than I would normally make it. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to fill up these 2 tubs. Okay, so now we've got those filled, we're going to add in our 2 ingredients. So first, the citric acid. Just going to put about a teaspoon of each in these mixes. Now we're going to add the bicarbonate of soda. So this chemical reaction lasts for about 30 seconds to a minute, so you just have to be fairly quick with this. Hopefully you can see all of the carbon dioxide being produced. And that's it. Just leave this now. Probably leave it overnight. Come back to it tomorrow. It'll still be quite wet. These bricks will still be quite wet tomorrow, but just to finish off the video, I'll show you what the actual bricks look like. Right, so this is the next day. Let's see what we've got. So these came out of those takeaway tubs very easily. They're still quite damp, these bricks, but they are significantly lighter than you would expect. I don't know if you can see, but all these air holes running all the way through the refractory concrete. Same on this one. Just very small holes. There's no large cavities or anything like that, but again, significantly lighter. So I know that there's a lot of air in these bricks. That's it. I do think this has got a long way to go. I think it does have a lot of potential. Obviously you just need to figure out for your particular job if it's right for you and how you're going to incorporate it into your project. So there you go, refractory aircrete using citric acid and bicarbonate of soda. I think there's some huge potential for this. I have actually made a rocket stove using this method and it came out really well. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.